I want to show you the Content Uploader. This is really helpful if you already have the bulk of your course ready to upload all at once, and you have mainly PDF, video, or audio lessons. Let's click Upload Content under our second chapter. And here I'll select 3 more videos that I already have prepared. I'll open and I will upload these 3 files. You can see the count. Thinkific shows us that multiple files are currently uploading at once. In the Content Uploader tab, we still have the ability to rename these lessons. So I could clean these up a little bit, and then we can move lessons across existing chapters. So we don't ever need to worry too much about whether or not we've uploaded everything in the right spot to begin with. Can rename this one again. If you want to replicate anything from a prior lesson, we can also copy a lesson. So in the destination chapter, let's say I want to copy a lesson to chapter 3, we can open the menu and select copy lesson from, and we could copy 2A, for example, and that will slot in as a copy in chapter 3. And if we need to delete any given lesson, we can use the trash icon from the Content Uploader tab, or if we open the lesson and we scroll down, we can see the delete lesson button here as well, with one final confirmation.